Unit 1.7, conflict between manager, shareholder, and stockholders. Conflict between managers, shareholders, and stockholders. And I want to share here one more terminology with you, that is stakeholders. Now, shareholders and stockholders are actually the same people. However, stakeholder is different. I will explain you who are they. So first, let us discuss that who they are actually. First, let us talk about managers. You all must be aware of, फिर भी एक recap कर देती हूँ कि who are managers. Managers are the ones who actually controls the business. ठीक है, they are responsible for the overall operations in the business, and they are responsible for making decisions as well. Now, who are shareholders or the stockholders? Shareholders are the people who buy the stocks or shares of that particular company. Okay. Now, why do they buy shares? See, why do we all buy shares? आपके भी father हैं, कोई किसी का बड़ा भाई होगा जो trading में involve होगा, trading करता होगा. हम सब क्यों खरीदते हैं? Because this is a easy investment. ठीक है, बहुत आसान सी investment है. जब आप चाहें इसमें आप पैसा डाल दें, जब चाहे आप इसमें से पैसा निकाल दें. टाइम की कोई कहत नहीं है. दूसरा, we all buy shares for two main reasons. The first is capital appreciation. What is capital appreciation? That if you buy a share for 10 rupees and then after some time you sell it for 16 rupees, so that 6 rupees difference is the capital appreciation. Very simple, मैंने explain कर दिया आपको. ठीक है. Now, we all buy shares for the capital appreciation and the dividend, because this is how you make money on the money. ठीक है. So अब shareholders का क्या ख्वाहिश होती है? What is the eagerness, or what is the need of a shareholder? Is that they want more and more dividend, and they want more and more capital appreciation. Okay. And the manager is the one who is looking after the business operations, and who wanted to run the business smoothly. Now, who are stakeholders? Stakeholders are the people that are involved in a company, who are involved in a company uh, for anything. Okay, stakeholders are the people who are involved in a company for any sort of operation. Stakeholders can be someone who is supplying the stationery, someone who is supplying the tea for a company. Everyone who is involved or who is working for a company is a stakeholder. Okay. So now, what is the major conflict between managers and the shareholders that we are going to discuss here? So the manager is the one who is looking after the business operations and who want to do all the best for the company. And the shareholder are the ones who who are not interested how the company is running, who are not interested how the business operations are going on. They are simply interested in that they want more and more dividend. Okay. And more capital appreciation. So when the managers will do something that will reduce the dividend of the shareholders, definitely a conflict is going to be created. For example, that if the manager increases the wages, okay, and the wages are increased because there was a labor union. आपको ये भी पता होगा, आपने देखा भी होगा कि एक लेबर, अगर बहुत ज़्यादा लेबर हो तो फिर वो आपस में मिलके एक यूनियन बना लेते हैं और फिर वो एक अपना हेड बना लेते हैं फ्रॉम देम ओनली. तो अगर लेबर यूनियन काम नहीं कर रही है और उसने बिल्कुल बिजनेस ऑपरेशंस बंद कर दिए, प्रोडक्शन डिपार्टमेंट बंद कर दिया है और हड़ताल कर दी है कि दे विल नॉट वर्क अंटिल द वेजेस आर गोइंग टू बी इंक्रीज्ड, तो इस सूरत में मैनेजर क्या करेगा? मैनेजर हैज़ टू increase the wages, but stockholder or the shareholder will not like this thing. So these kind of conflicts are usually created. This is one of the example. I want you people to read over the internet for more examples, how the conflicts are created. Now these conflicts must be resolved through collaboration and with one-to-one face-to-face meetings, and in board meetings आपकी होती हैं, secretary meetings होती हैं कंपनी की, उसमें इन conflicts को resolve करना लाजमी चाहिए. Because in long term, अगर if you do not resolve the conflicts, they can create more problems for the business. Thank you.